Well, I'm sorry to say that I cannot work as a manager. First of all, I only have experience in writing blogs about food and traveling. I love writing and sharing my stories with other people. If I become a manager, I cannot communicate with my audience by writing anymore. I see, and I can understand your reasons. I really like your attitude towards your job, and I want to collaborate with you in the long run. What do you think? That means I've got accepted? Yes, you can start working next Monday. I don't know what to say. Thank you for giving me a chance to improve my skills. It's my pleasure to work with an excellent candidate like you in the future, Mr. Andrew.
How much is it? What do you intend to cook tonight, Jenny? Well, I'm about to cook fried soya cheese and chicken soup. So I guess we should go to the soya cheese stall first. Sure, let's go. What type of soya cheese do you usually buy? The Sugoi brand or the Oishi one? Actually, I just buy soya cheese randomly and I never look at the name of the brand. But I think we should compare the price. How much is the Sugoi soya cheese? It is $1.23. And the Oishi is $2.74. A little cheaper. Should we buy the Oishi brand? We should ask another person. Excuse me. Yes? Have you ever bought soya cheese there? Oh, you mean tofu? Oh, yes. I usually buy the brand name Sugoi. It's really tasty. We're just wondering which one to buy. How much is it? Well, it says $1.23. I have to admit that this one is cheaper, but trust me, I've tried all of the tofu brands here, and Sugoi is the best. Thank you. We will listen to your advice. You're welcome, ladies. Let's go to the meat stall. Wow, there are a variety of meat there. You want to cook chicken soup, don't you? Which parts of the chicken should we buy? We'd better choose the part which contains much meat. How much chicken wings and thighs? Well, the chicken wings cost $1.67 per pound, and the thighs cost 89 cents per pound. What do you think? Let's buy both of them. We can save up the last for other dishes. Agree. How much are they in total? Yours is $5.70, lady. I have a membership card for this supermarket, so is there any discount for today's shopping? Can I see your card, miss? Here you are. All right, yours will be a 5% discount as you have the membership card. So how much is it now? $5.40, miss. All right, here you are. Thank you, and see you again. Hey, are you busy at the moment? No, what's the matter? I've heard that there is a discount up to 50% at a Star shopping mall. Do you want to go shopping with me? Great! I also need to buy new clothes. When and where should we meet? At the female stalls in 15 minutes. Will that be okay? Got it. See ya. Hi. Hi. Do you know what items of clothes are on sale today? I don't know exactly. Let's go to have a look. Wow, this pink dress really suits you, Jenny. How much is it? Let me check. Well, it's a little expensive. $50. I don't have that much money, Sarah. Is there anything cheaper? Let's go to the jeans stall. Wow, jeans here are 25% discount. How much are they? They cost only $21. Marvelous. I will choose one for me. What do you think I should buy? Sweaters or hoodies? But it's summer, Sarah. Don't you think it's too hot to buy those winter items? I love winter clothes. I can wear them even if it's so hot outside. Well, it's up to you. How much does a sweater cost? It's cheaper than hoodies, but I want to have both of them. Hey, we're still students. We have to save money for other things. You're right. I won't buy those items anymore. That's right. Hey, crop tops here are beautiful. Look at this yellow crop top. I love it. Should we buy a couple costumes? Great idea. I'll choose the orange one. What a happy shopping day. Yes, yes, yes.
Hey, are you guys free this Sunday?
Yes, I think so. Nothing is planned as far as I know.
Me too. What is up? Do you guys want to join me on a camping trip? I've been wanting to go camping for a while now, but my friend told me I should try it sometimes.
Sounds interesting. I actually have never gone camping either. Have you?
Me? Yes, I have. Quite a few times with my family, actually. My parents used to love camping so much that we went almost every month when I was 14. My dad even rented a camping car once.
Wow, really? I guess your parents really enjoyed it. How was it for you? Did you enjoy it? Have you been going recently?
Yes, I loved it. We sometimes camped with other families as well, so it was even more fun. I haven't been able to go this year though because I was too busy. I will probably go with my family soon. I think I can join this Sunday too. Great! Hearing you say that makes me really excited to try it. How about you, Chris?
Yes, I will come with you guys too. I'm glad we have an experienced person like Mary with us on our first time camping.
Do you guys think we should invite others to come with us? Yes, definitely. The more the merrier. Who do you have in mind? Should we ask Brian? He once told me that he went camping with his friends back in college. Great idea. He seems free these days too.
Brian? I thought about asking him too, but perhaps he won't be able to come this Sunday. He told me the other day he was having a family gathering this Saturday at his parents' house, which is 3 hours from here.
Is he staying there for the whole weekend?
I'm not sure when he's coming back, but chances are he won't make it back here in time for our trip.
All right then. How about Jane? I'll meet up with her later today so I can ask her if you guys agree.
Sure, let us know if she joins.
Wait, have you checked the weather this weekend? Not really, but it looks like it's going to be sunny since it's sunny the whole week and last.
Yeah, hopefully. Just be optimistic, guys. Hi, Lucy. Sorry I'm a bit late. I had to stay after class for an hour for a group meeting.
Hey, Adam, it's okay. I came a little late as well, so I haven't been waiting for too long. You had to stay behind for a meeting? On the first day of class?
Right, that's what I thought too. I can't believe we already have work to do in the first class.
Which class is that? Who is the professor?
It's Marketing 101. I chose that class because I thought it would be kind of fun, but oh, am I wrong. And Professor Walden is teaching the class. Chris Walden.
Oh no.
Yes, I know. He's known to be strict and give a lot of homework. But I didn't know that until recently. But I guess it's too late to change my mind now.
I took his class last year too. Not marketing though. It actually wasn't that bad, but he did give a lot of homework. He's pretty strict with grades, but I think if you attend class regularly, you'll be fine.
Yeah, hopefully. I don't know yet, but I think this class is going to be my least favorite class of the semester. We'll see.
You'll be fine. What courses are you taking this semester?
Only 4. I'm taking marketing, economics, psychology, and a writing course. You?
I'm taking 5: economics, finance, business, international relations, and a math class. I'm thinking about dropping the business class though.
Why? Is it hard?
It's a little more difficult than I thought, and the professor is really strict too. It looks like he's a new professor. I've never seen him at school before.
Is he old?
No, he's honestly the youngest professor I've ever met at school. I thought he wouldn't be strict because he's young, but I guess not.
It's alright. You still have time to drop the class and maybe find another one to fill in.
Wait, I just realized. Have you ordered? You've been here for 15 minutes and still haven't ordered anything.
Oh, I forgot. It seems like the waitress also forgot about me. Let me just go get her now. I got too carried away. Bill, how are you doing? You look so much tanner than before. Hey, David, I'm great. I heard that comment from everyone I met these past weeks. How are you doing? I'm doing great too. Haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to? I just came back from a 1-month trip around Europe the other day. I'm slowly adjusting back to daily life here these days. Wow, really? That sounds so fun. And perhaps expensive. Yes, it was a pretty costly trip, honestly, but I have no regrets. I've been saving up for it for a long time, so after my college graduation, I just decided to give myself a break. That's great. You deserve it. Did you visit a lot of places? I guess you did, since it was a rather long trip. Yes, I went to several countries and met up with my friends there as well. It was really fun. Do you have friends in Europe? That's so nice. I wish I could save up for a trip like that in the future too. Definitely, it's really worth it. Even if it's just a short trip, you should still try it sometimes. I'd love to, but for now, I guess I'll hear it from you first. Which countries did you visit? I flew to Italy first to meet up with an old friend from high school. He offered me a room to stay in for a few days before I left for France. So it saved me quite a bit of money, actually. How long did you spend in each country? It depends, but it was usually around 4 to 5 days. I even stayed in France for a week because there was so much I wanted to see. And I hung out with my friends there for a while as well. They offered me to stay with them because their house was so huge. So that was quite fortunate as well. Wow, perhaps you actually saved a lot of living expenses, haha. I know, I feel really lucky. But the luck ended there, though. After I visited Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, and Czechia, and paid for all the hotel's room, like a usual traveler. You seem like you're really happy with the trip. I'm glad.
The next person, please come in. Hi, I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. Hello, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. I am Lucy, the Human Resources Executive. This is Mr. Parker, Manager of the Marketing Department. We will have an interview with you today for your internship position.
Hi, nice to meet you. I am Mr. Park, Manager of the Marketing Department.
Thank you for having me today. It's a pleasure for us to meet you too. Did you have any trouble finding the way to our company? No, not at all. The company is a lot closer to where I live than I expected. It's right next to the coffee shop I often visit. Great to hear that. Okay, so Sarah, why don't you tell us a bit about yourself first?
My name is Sarah Kim. I am a third-year student at the new university. My major is marketing and communications. In addition to that, I am also a member of the debate club at my university.
Lovely. Thank you so much. So can you tell me, how did you know about this job?
Because the summer break is coming, I want to find myself a summer internship that relates to my major. I looked upon the internet and suddenly stumbled upon your company's recruitment information on LinkedIn.
On LinkedIn, right? There are many other companies posting on that site as well. So why did you choose us?
To be honest, the first thing that got my attention was the design of your LinkedIn post. It was really vibrant and unique, which made me think that this is a creative company. That excited me a lot because I've always wanted to work in a young and creative environment. After that first impression, I dug deeper into your website and found out that your company works in a field that relates to artificial intelligence. This is a topic that I am quite passionate about after getting into university. With a suitable environment and a field of work that I am interested in, Star Corporation has become my top choice.
Great! Yes, as you can see, our company does have a lot of young staff, and we always aim for the best technology solutions for our future. I'm glad that it suits your interest as well. Okay, so Mr. Park, do you have any questions for Sarah?
Yes. So, Sarah, what would you say is your biggest strength? My greatest strength is my teamwork ability. I can work well in a team regardless of the number of team members. I'm also very flexible when it comes to my role in a team. When most of the time I am the leader, I can also contribute well as a follower too. For example, I have done a class presentation in a group of 5 as a leader. In my club, I am a member of the public relations team of 10 people. In a team, I tend to be a person that pushes everyone to do the work and helps everyone engage equally by reminding and dividing tasks for people every day.
I see. What about weakness? Do you have any weaknesses and how do you deal with it?
I would say that I have trouble saying no. When other people ask me for help, even though that job bothers me, if it's not too extreme, I would still agree to help. One time when I was preparing for my test the next day, my friend asked me to help her practice English conversations for her speaking test, and I agreed without giving much thought. Sometimes it is a bit troublesome for me because when I agree to help many people at the same time, I have lots of things to do, and then I become stressed. Currently, I am trying to learn to say no, starting from the smallest things. For example, when people give out free samples and I don't need them, I would just say thank you and no. Even though it is a small step, it has helped me build a lot of confidence in rejecting other people when necessary.
I completely understand that. Sometimes saying no is hard for me too, especially to my daughter. I was just joking. Anyways, this is my final question for you. What is a dream job like to you?
My dream job would be a job where I am allowed to be who I am and be creative as much as possible. Of course, it would be best if the company I work for be in a field that is my interest. It does not need to be so, as long as I can have a certain freedom and creativity. Moreover, I am a person who is always eager to learn, so a position where I can learn a lot of new things would be nice. Lastly, my dream workplace must have dream colleagues as well. This means that I want to work in a company that has nice and passionate employees who can help and inspire me to work.
Okay, I see. Thank you very much for your answer. That's the end of our interview. Do you have any questions for us?
Oh yes, so from your company's website, I understand that your company is pretty youthful with many young employees. Can you share a bit more about the work culture? Do you guys have any special events for your employees?
That's a good question. So, because we have many young employees, our company is quite playful and energetic as well. We actually have hobby clubs, such as chess club, for our employees. Sometimes we have sports competitions like running contests between departments, so that we can encourage people from different departments to interact and have fun. From our marketing department, we have a special Friday karaoke night. Our department always hangs out on Friday night after work for karaoke. I'm sure that if you get in, you will have a lot of fun here at Star Corporation. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it is really helpful. Thank you so much. Do you have any other questions? I don't think so. Great. Then that's a wrap for this interview. Once again, thank you so much for being here with us today. The result will get to you after 3 working days through email, so please check it carefully. We hope that we can see you again. Thank you so much for today.